We're typing?
Yeah.
Anna?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Okay, so Ashley, we're in the bathroom at lunchtime, and I don't know. That's Megan. Say hi, Megan.
Hi.
And I'm Ashley, and this is the Ashley and Megan show. This is Megan's cell phone. It says it's 2:13. 14. Oh. But look what I found. Tampax. It says Tampax. Oh. Tampax Compact Plastic. And this is what it looks like. They're itty bitty.
I just got like a shot of your boob.
Thank you. They're itty bitty. Now I will open it. Now, my friend Cody Pointer. Up. Okay, there. What he did one time was suck it up his nose. I went like this.
Buy me something, Nate.
No. Is that what they're for? For something way different. But you don't have to know. Boop. Wow. This has just been another Ashley and Megan show. Say bye, Megan.
Bye.